Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can export orders in Prestashop. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply click on orders. Let's go here. And you're going to see all the orders here. So what you want to do is you can choose like these orders or bulk actions, select all, unselect all. And then just click here export, right? When you're going to do it, you can download multiple files and voila, here you got it. You're going to have it in CSV, so you can open it in Excel if you want to. This is really good if you want to have like some statistics and stuff like that. So this is pretty much how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah. Back.